Hello everyone and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch. Today is Friday the 24th of August and this is brought to you by the Live Trade Room. So without further ado then, if I could just start by drawing your attention to our risk warning. Please do familiarize yourselves with the risks involved in trading these financial markets, especially during these summer trading conditions. Okay, so let's get straight into the charts then and discuss some high probability trading opportunities. So when we look at these charts now, we've finally seen and have experienced the extended pullback off the lows in some of these dollar pairs, and we've seen the strength come in to the US dollar over the latter part of yesterday's trading day. The reason why that's quite significant, we weren't able to experience those moves on an intraday basis. They occurred fairly late on after some really choppy price action, but effectively we've seen the price action that we were looking for. So from an intraday perspective, there's a number of dollar related pairs that you can look to trade. The first one being a break below yesterday's low at roughly the 15.28 level, the 1.1528 level in the euro dollar. And as I flick through these dollar pairs, we can look for opportunities to trade the pound dollar below the 12800 level in the pound dollar. There's reasons why we could obviously look to buy the dollar yen above the 111.32, but we do have the 111.43 just above it, which is the weekly high. So maybe you want to just reserve a bit of judgment on the pound yen, but it's still very much tradable. The dollar Swiss break above yesterday's daily high of 98.66 would be a viable trade. Again, we've got a double bottom in the dollar CAD, a buy above, and it's just really a day where we've seen a lot of dollar strength creep into the markets. So a break above the 1.3099 would constitute an opportunity for this market to push higher on an intraday basis. And we can apply the same logic. In yesterday's video, you would see that we looked at the 73.32. So the analysis was pretty accurate. The reality of capitalizing on the move, not so easy, but we can still look for continuation below the 72.40. And then finally, with the New Zealand dollar, we can look for continuation below the daily low, which is the 66.30 in the New Zealand dollar as well. And as far as the other markets are concerned, we can also look for the potential, if we get to see some strength come in to the yen, to look to capitalize on a move below the daily low, which is roughly the 142.38 in the pound yen specifically, because some weakness has creeped into the pound. And the final market we're going to suggest for this particular trade watch, again, we were in yesterday's daily trade watch video, we were looking to sell this market below the 1192.55 level, and we've seen a really strong break lower, and we'd expect a continuation below the 111.82.77 again tomorrow. So a number of dollar related correlated markets to basically focus on, and that would include the gold market. But in addition to that, we could look at a pound yen sell, especially if we start seeing some strength come into the yen. But we've had the bounce back to a previous level of support, which is this low over here. So it gives us a green light to look for opportunities to sell it, but only if we get a break below the 142.38. Okay, so that just about concludes then today's daily trade watch. So thank you as always for joining us. Do feel free to connect with us through our YouTube channel. If you just search The Live Trade Room, all one word, and you'll be able to locate us fairly easily. And we're also available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The details are currently up on screen. So thank you as always for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye for now.